Hello, Real Learning Creative Team. This is Heather Jarp, Century 21, and I just want to show you how I create shortened WebEx links. And the reason for that is actually for two reasons. One is ease of use. It's easier just to create a flyer or some type of promotional piece using shortened, easily identifiable links. The other reason for this is because we create so many links, I like one place to archive everything. So if I have one place where I have all my WebEx links archived and someone reaches out to me out of the clear blue, I can quickly just do a copy and paste, email it right over to them. So I'm going to show you how I do this. So right now, just note that I am in a website called bit.ly.com. You've probably heard of it. So you can see up here in the URL window, it is bit.ly.com. And then I just click on the login button right here. And you can see here, this is my user ID. It's just my email. And then my password is just Heather13, all lowercase. So Heather13. And then once you've typed that in, you can just click on the sign in button. Now, once I'm here, there's this great button right here. It's called Create a Bit Link. So what I'm going to do is just go into my email right here, and you see I have this very long WebEx link. So this is how somebody would go ahead and either join a WebEx or register for a WebEx. So we want to make this short, simple, and sweet. So I just did a quick copy. And then I'm going to go here and click on Create a Bit Link. And this is where I'm going to paste that really long URL. So here it is right here. And you can see here I can add a title just to remind me what it is. So I'm going to just write test link here. And then I always customize my links, and it's just like what I said before. We receive so many of these WebEx links, it helps me remember what's what. So let's just pretend for a second that I am going to put in the Go List pre-pilot walkthrough. So I'll have to have something that's identifiable for me as well as the users, because as you can imagine, when you're managing a lot of these really long links, it can get pretty confusing very easily. So I'm going to just put an easily identifiable title in here. You can't do anything really long, but this will just help me recall what this is through. So it's I'm just going to call this the pre-pilot walkthrough. And then once I've done that, I can just go ahead and this silly message is here and click on save. So you can see here that I've created a very small link as compared to that really big long one. And then once I've edited the link, I've got now that really small, memorable link. I'm going to just close out of here. And you'll see this next screen, I can copy it or I can share it. So typically what I do is I just copy this. So you just click on the copy button and you can see it's been copied. And then wherever I want to paste it, let's say I've got some type of cool flyer that I'm working on. Here we've got the Go List pilot flyer here. And then typically what I do is I just paste those links right in this window right here. So you'll see that from this view that a broker or a manager can easily share this with their agent pilot group. So if a broker or manager is running a pilot in their office, they can easily share this flyer with all of the details regarding the pilot, so that the broker manager really doesn't have to think too much about this. They could just share the document. So then what I would do, I would just paste the bit.ly link right here, and everything's clean and organized and very memorable. So it really helps somebody organize their life and their time, especially when they've got a lot going on. So, and the other piece that's really helpful with this is that I've got all of my links here, and I've named them so that they're memorable, so that anytime somebody emails me, gosh, do you have the WebEx link for the buyer pilot? And whatever it is, I've got things named so that they're easily memorable, because as you can imagine, when we start rolling out pilot courses left and right, it's going to be really difficult to keep ourselves organized and know which WebEx link goes to which session. So this is how I do that. Just wanted to show you how to do it so that you can hopefully do that for some of the other brands, because this will definitely make our lives easier. So